Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove your tow ball. Using the key provided, simply take the dust cap cover off, insert the key, twisting the key towards the vehicle to unlock. Pull out the knob, also twist this towards the vehicle. This will allow the tow ball to pop on out nice and easily. Using the bag provided, while not in use, to store the tow ball. Also in this bag is a dust cap cover. It can easily be inserted where the tow ball came out of to prevent the dust from getting on in. To reinsert the tow ball, simply just pop the tow ball back in. It will automatically lock. Twist the key back towards you to lock and put the dust cap cover back on. Ensure that it is locked by a simple tug, and that is your tow ball reinserted.